Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Thank you for so much for the love that you guys are showing me for the past couple of views. Good to know that some of them are being really helpful to you guys. So I've got a topic today to discuss. Well, I've seen a lot of videos in YouTube talking about this as well. So I thought why don't I give it a thought of my own view. So today we are going to discuss about driving license in UK, especially about driving theory test in the UK, how you can pass the test. So like I said, I've seen a lot of videos where people are saying like it's pretty difficult to pass. So I must tell you, like from my experience, I don't think it's a difficult thing to do because if you study well, if you study the right way, if you use the correct app and the theory, if you study them well, I'm pretty sure you will pass. Because on my first try itself, I passed because I knew like how to go about it and what are the apps to use to study about it. So I'll tell you how to study for your theory test as well. So before we jump into the fun part, let's discuss about this theory test itself. So for you to pass the theory test in the UK, you have to score 43 points in the multiple choice questions, and you have to score 44 points in your hazard perception test. So the whole test consists of different types of questions. I think it's when I went for my test, it was I think 45 questions were multiple choice questions, and I had a few, I think five or six, I can't really remember, but five, to be honest, I think five questions were based on a video that they showed. Once you finish your multiple choice questions, you will move on to the hazard perception test. And in your hazard perception test, I think the maximum you can score is I think 75, and if you score 44, you will pass that test as well. So overall you have to score 43 on your multiple choice questions, and you have to score 44 on your hazard perception test. So if you score that, you will pass your theory test. How to prepare or how to learn for this whole test? So there are many ways to learn, many ways to go about it. Like some people say like go watch YouTube videos, or some people say go get the DVLA book, which is like a very thick book, which is to be honest, like I don't know if it's the right choice, because you will have to learn a lot of stuff, and it's going to be a bit tough because like I'm not a book person, so I don't know how you guys are, but you can go about. It's a bit tough to learn that much information and remember all those things. So how I did it was, there is an app called Theory Test by DVLA. It's not a free app. I think it's 4.99. I think it's 4.99 for the app. You have to pay for 4.99 pound. Yeah, you can pay that and download the app on your phone, and you can just try practicing your test on the app. So even in the app, you have to go. You should not focus on mock test first. You have to go to the study section and you have to study all the topics. So in the app, they have got 15 to 20 different topics, and they will explain like what are the things you have to do, what are the things you don't have to do, what are the things you must do. So let's jump into my phone and I will show you like what you should be doing. So this is the app. So once you open it, you have a section for study, you have a section for mock test. You must go to study, and you have to go through all these topics, and you have to learn all those topics. So once you read through everything, then only you should go for all the questions where you can practice all the questions. So you should not directly go to mock test and just do the mock test, because if you do that, if you just directly go to the mock test, and if you do that, I will definitely tell you, like, you won't pass the test, because you have to study first, then only you should go for the test, I mean mock test. Because if you don't study the theory first, you won't know what the answer is, or you won't know the questions, or you will never get you will never get used to the question that they're gonna ask you in the test. So once you practice all these study all this theory, then you can jump on to all those all questions where you can practice different topics with all the questions they offer. So once you've done all the study, once you're finished with your studies, your mock test and everything, I will definitely tell you, when you take a mock test, you will definitely score above 45 or even close to 50. So for my case, I scored, I think, 49 on my theory, and I did 60 or something on my hazard perception, which was totally through this app. I didn't try any other apps or any books which is out there. I didn't try them at all. I just kept on like studying on this app, and it it was totally, it totally worked for me. So that's why I thought, like, I will share this with you guys. I'm pretty sure, like, if you study the theory part thoroughly, like, just revise it like over and over again, and once you're completely confident that you know all the questions, then you jump onto the mock test. And I will definitely tell you, like, you will pass all the time, and you will gain that confidence to go for your theory test as well. And another thing which you must pay attention to is that the questions that they're gonna ask you on your theory test is not going to be the same. Probably like 30 to 35 questions which will be directly from the app, and there will be some questions which they will ask you randomly. Okay, so as long as you know the meaning of the question, you'll be able to answer it correctly. So you have to read the questions like twice, like, for you to understand the question, what they are asking exactly. Then only you answer the question. So take your time. You have I think around 55 to 60 minutes, I think. Not sure about the time, but you have enough time to, like, give it enough time for each separate question. So make sure you double check the questions, double check the answers, revise all the answers, then only submit. And I will definitely tell you, you will pass your theory test. And give this app a try. I'm not affiliated with this app or anything. I'm just telling you how I went about it. So I hope that works for you guys as well. And wish you all the best for your theory test as well. And I hope this video will really help you guys. And if it helps you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much for your time, and we will see you very soon in another video. Thank you.